Check it out, we just got this. It's like an HDMI transmitter. So supposedly you plug this into the device and this into, your TV or whatever you're going to be looking at the data on or video. So let's check it out. Looks like it could be interesting. We'll unbox it. Comes with this. It's got a QR code on it so that you guys can, check it out. Fold this up for a second. All right, so in the box itself, you get this. This is a USB. I can get it out of the plastic. Here it is. So anyway, this side is like HDMI type of thing, and this side is a smaller, like HDMI kind of connector. And it says mini on there, so it's a mini. I guess there's a mini HDMI. I guess I don't know. All right, so you get a couple of these. Here is another one. This is a micro. Look how small that is. So apparently there must be some devices like that. Here is another set of connectors. All right. Then you get this here, which is, this is 4K, and that's a USB-C. I'm wondering if I could deliver this directly from my phone. I would imagine, right? Then it also comes with USB-A to C, right? And then it comes with, well, you get two of those. So you get two of those cables. And here is the actual device itself. And that's your HDMI plug-in, right? It's got a little cap on it. Let me give you a closer look. It does have a USB-C port on its side. All right. And apparently that's how it breathes. It's got holes to breathe. So that's one. And then here's the other one, right? Same thing, right? Check it out. That's it right there. So that is everything that comes in the box. You get two of these. It's a new type of technology for you guys to have fun with. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.